Guys, now it is 8:30 in the morning, and I am having my breakfast in a restaurant. Here we have got pawa roti and dal bhaji. So I am having my breakfast. It's very tasty. Yeah, it's so good. But here in this restaurant, I think that the bread is a little bit sweet, and dal bhaji a little bit spicy. Very clean restaurant. You see, look at the decoration, very nice looking. See, here is the bill for my breakfast. The total bill is 40 taka.